What is artificial intelligence? Imagine a machine that seamlessly arranges your cupboards to your liking or crafts a bespoke cup of coffee for each family member, catering to individual preferences. Doesn't that sound like a game changer for your daily routine? These marvels are fruits of artificial intelligence. But why is it termed artificial intelligence? The reason lies in how these machines are imbued with human-like cognition, enabling them to execute tasks reminiscent of human capabilities. This synthetic intellect is forged through intricate algorithms and advanced mathematical frameworks. However, AI's presence isn't always as overt as in these examples. It's subtly woven into myriad facets of our lives, embedded in smartphones, automobiles, social media curation, gaming ecosystems, banking, surveillance, and more. But the pivotal question remains, what truly defines AI at its core? Picture this. In a laboratory, a robot is designed and subsequently placed in an unpredictable outdoor environment. Despite fluctuating lighting, varied terrain, and irregular dimensions, this AI-driven machine operates as intended. This capacity to adapt to novel situations exemplifies its generalized learning ability. Now imagine the robot at a juncture. One path is smooth and paved, while the other is rugged and rocky. The robot must deduce which route to traverse, showcasing its reasoning prowess. Shortly after, it confronts a stream too wide to cross unaided. Equipped with a plank as input, the robot ingeniously devises a way to bridge the gap, illustrating its problem-solving skill. These three faculties, adaptation, reasoning, and problem-solving, embody the essence of artificial intelligence. Broadly, AI can be divided into two principal categories: narrow AI, weak AI. This type is crafted to excel at a singular task. For instance, AlphaGo is a prodigy in the strategic board game Go, yet it falters in activities outside its programming, like chess. Despite Alexa's ability to perform multiple functions, it still qualifies as narrow AI. When you ask Alexa to play a song, it processes specific keywords to deliver the result. However, it cannot tackle queries outside its trained domain, for example, asking about real-time traffic conditions for a specific route. 2. Strong AI. This remains a conceptual marvel, existing predominantly in the realm of fiction. Strong AI possesses self-awareness and emotional intelligence, akin to Ultron from the Avengers. Such AI can independently form opinions, making its responses unpredictable and dynamic. You may wonder how artificial intelligence diverges from machine learning and deep learning. AI is the overarching field, while machine learning serves as a pathway to achieving AI. Deep learning, in turn, is a subset of machine learning, mimicking the human brain's neural structure to discern patterns and data with enhanced precision. Futurist Ray Kurzweil envisions a horizon by 2045 where machines may rival human intellect, a moment termed the singularity. Meanwhile, Elon Musk speculates a future where AI-integrated implants could augment human capabilities, potentially ushering in an era of cybernetic humans. So here's a thought-provoking query for you. Among the following, which AI innovation has yet to materialize? A. An AI robot granted citizenship. B. A robot with a musculoskeletal framework. C. AI capable of interpreting its owner's emotions. D. AI that evolves emotions over time. Deliberate on this and share your thoughts in the comments below. 3 fortunate participants stand a chance to win Amazon gift vouchers. As humanity continues to grapple with the enigmas of its own brain, it's no surprise that AI, too, harbors vast, uncharted territories. For now, its purpose remains symbiotic, enhancing human efficiency and simplifying our endeavors. Yet, as technology progresses, the horizon of AI's potential promises to redefine what's possible. If you found this exploration into AI compelling, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the transformative future ahead.